Okay, so I received one of the pumps today, so I'm going to hold up with the other one. I drilled a hole. That hole is going to be for this end to go through. Now I've got a rubber gasket for each side. I'm going to put it through on this side, and then get you guys a good angle. And I'm going to put the gasket down on the inside. Little rubber opening. Now that that's ready, I'm going to take the pump, and before I drilled this bucket, I made sure to make it the same height. So now all I gotta do is screw it through until it's good and tight. So as you can see, that's lining up really nice. And it should create a pretty nice sill. Turn, but there you have it. And this one's special. It has this nozzle that I can connect an air hose to and adjust the airflow with this valve to get some extra oxygenated water, which is what I really need. This pond's pretty stagnant now. And now, put something in the bottom to weigh it down. Like this big rock here. Then put your filter media in. I haven't purchased the pillow batting yet, but stuff those all in nice and tight. Put the pillow batting right in there. You're going to have to take and cut a little notch with a jigsaw to one of these holes for the cord to come out of, and you'll be set. Then you just stick this filter in the pond, fill it with water, and get it going.